How to return items on Trendyol. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to return items on Trendyol using your iOS or Android device. And I'm going to show you how you can generate a return label, choose between pickup or drop-off options, and track your refund easily. So first of all, you're going to open Trendyol application and then you're going to click on account here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see the option of orders. So you're going to click on all orders over here. And then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So if you have purchased the items, you'll be able to see them listed over here. So if you wish to return a specific item, you're going to simply click on that and you'll be able to see 3 dots. So you're going to click on that and then you'll be able to see the option Easy Return. Simply click on Easy Return and you can mention the problem that why you want to return the item. And after that, they will give you a code. So you can simply add that as the shipment code. And when you ship it back again to them, you can track your order from over here, or you can track your order using that code. And just like that, that is how easily you can return items on Trendyol. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.